Hey, what's up guys, it's Spectrum back here with a brand new video review. This time we're going to be taking a look at the Dragon Ball Super Bandai Figure-Rise Standard Jiren Full Power Model Kit. So let's get started. Look at the packaging here. This is a huge package, so if I can't get it all in frame, I'm just going to have photos of the different sizes of the package on the screen for you guys. But obviously right here we have Jiren. Now usually they have a photo of the model kit, and then they have it like upgraded, you know, and exaggerated and stuff like that. But this doesn't look anything like the model kit. Like, yes, it looks like the model kit, obviously, because the model kit is full power Jiren, but there's no, you know, model panel lines or anything like that on the actual artwork, as you can see right there. Down here it says classic model kit Jiren, Bird Studio, stuff like that. Bandai Funimation, and then the Toei Animation stickers right here to show you that this is not a bootleg. Dragon Ball Super, and then you have Build the Ultimate Warrior right here, which, yeah. So let's, oh, no, that's not too bad. We can definitely get this in frame. Alright, that's way better than I thought. Same thing right here as on the front of the package. Let's see here. On this side, it's the exact same thing as well. Let's go down here at the bottom. Got a bunch of nice product shots, as you can see right there. With the accessories and stuff like that. There's just so much here, and obviously you can just see that for yourselves right there. And then on this side, this would be the back of the package. If this were a figure arts or an action figure, you have it read up right here. Some screenshots from Super right here, looking pretty cool. Some other model kits that you can get from the same line. Caution, legalese, and stuff like that. Let's move this out of the way, and give me just 1 second to fix up a little review station. Alrighty then, we are back, and we have the model kit built and out of the package, obviously. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at them here. And yes, these are very light to the touch. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I just wanted to make sure that my lens was nice and clean, because I do. Ironically, my review of the suppressed Jiren SH Figure Arts, the entire time there's like a little bit of a glare. I do apologize for that. I might redo that review if it is bothersome enough to you guys, but if not, then I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Anyway, yeah, like I said, he has almost no weight to him. He's as light as a feather, literally. But at the same time, he looks very imposing, and he looks very much like Jiren does in the anime when he you know, it does fully power up. It looks really nice overall. No shading on the model kit as far as I can see. Almost called it a figure, but it is not an action figure. Actually, there might be some mild, I don't know, like I don't think there's usually any shading on these. But the chest seems like there could be some shading. Maybe it's just the way it's sculpted and the way the light hits it, which I think is really cool. In the back here, you know, you got a bunch of nice sculpted panel lines for the back muscles and stuff like that, looking really cool. Obviously he has torn gi / shirt. Well, no, he doesn't wear a gi, does he? He just wears a like a super suit. Honey, where's my super suit? But yeah, so the backs of the knees aren't the prettiest in the world, but you know, it could be worse. But yeah, you have some veins popping out of his head and stuff like that, looking really cool. And both of the faces are very nicely sculpted. So yeah, you guys know what time it is! Size comparison times comments. Here we have the Figure-Rise Standard Full Power Jiren model kit next to the SH Figure Arts Perfected Ultra Instinct Goku action figure. And personally, I know that Figure-Rise is supposed to be a bigger scale, but these work really well together, especially for those really exaggerated shots from Dragon Ball Super and stuff like that that you will see in my 300 subscriber special action figure pose gallery. So yeah, here we have him next to something that is supposed to be in his immediate scale, and this is the Super Saiyan Blue Figure-Rise Goku model kit. Here we have him next to the SH Figure Arts Armored Broly, and again, even though these aren't the same scale, I still do like the way that these two look together. And last but certainly not least, here he is next to the SH Figure Arts Suppressed Jiren action figure, and yeah, I like the way that these two look together as well. Alrighty then, it's time to go over the accessories here, and this Figure-Rise Jiren model kit actually does come with a fair amount of accessories that I do like a lot. So, his other face, he only comes with 2 faces, but that's okay. Comes with this face right here, looking very, very nice, if I do say so myself. Got the sculpted veins and stuff like that. Got the little twinkles in his eyes right there. Got the teeth showing. Looking really anime accurate in my personal opinion. I do like this face a lot. And quick, simple little face swap. You just want to pop off the head. It comes off really easily, but it doesn't fall off, thankfully, so don't worry about that. Hopefully everyone's is the same as mine in that manner, to where theirs doesn't fall off either. And then you just pop it on just like so, and it looks really, really nice. And we're going to leave this head on for the rest of the review. I'm going to just pop that back on right there. Set this off to the side. And yeah, let's get into his hands here. Now, there's not a whole lot of sculpted detail because they literally are just some gloved white hands. Excuse me, as you can see right here. Got a couple of wrinkles up here, but other than that, it's not really a whole lot to be desired. But it still works, you know, it still does the job. It's still Jiren, so I'm fine with that. And then this hand is one of his Ki Blast hands here. They're both Ki Blast hands, but this is more so a Ki Blast hand in my opinion. I do like these a little bit more. And then he has 2 energy effects. This is the first one, right here. Very spiky to the touch, so be careful with that. It's just translucent orange, but that works perfectly in my opinion. And you want to take this hand right here with this hole in it, which would be the right hand. And you just want to take this, and there's a little peg right here. You just want to peg into it like that. And then obviously you can put it on the figure or the model kit, just like so. And that's looking really nice. So you can just have them going like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. All right, let's bring in the big boy. This is the blast that he shoots when he tries to hurt Goku's friends. So yeah, so you can just have him, let's see here, give me 1 second. You can definitely have him doing something like this, which I think looks really, really cool. So yeah, that's about it for the accessories. Articulation times, head to toe, here we go, from the head down. Alrighty then. He can look up that far. You can get more if you kind of half the ball peg right there, just like that. Pop it back on there. You can look down that far with the neck joint. Can do side to side to some degree. Shoulders can do a full 360. They can go out that far, go in that far. Upper bicep rotation, double jointed elbows, which go in a little more than 90 degrees. Wrists are on a ball joint, so they all swivel just like so. In terms of his abdominal section, you can crunch forward about that far with both joints, crunch back about that far with both joints. Can pivot side to side, got a little bit of rotation there, so not too bad. Hips can do the splits full on pretty much. You can kick forward that far, kick back that far. Upper thigh rotation, single jointer knee, which goes in about that far. And then his ankles are on ball joints as well. Forgot to mention he does have butterfly joints that go in and out just like so. And it looks like he's flexing. So yeah, there you go. Final thoughts, comments, and concerns about this model kit. Final thoughts, I do like this model kit a whole lot, especially for, what was it, like $35? It was relatively cheap. You know, the detailing is very nice, the sculpting work is amazing in my personal opinion, and this is a great stand-in for someone who can't afford the full power SH Figure Arts Jiren action figure. So yeah. Concerns? This thing is very light, yet he is slightly top heavy just because he does have technically more mass up at the top versus the bottom. So be careful with how you balance him in vanilla poses and stuff like that. Poses like this are okay, but you know, if you have him like just vanilla posed and you know, there's just be careful because hazards can happen. Let's see here. Final verdict is going to be an 8 out of 10 for this model kit. Building it was really fun. Took me a little over an hour. It wasn't really too bad at all. So yeah. Let's see here. Follow me on Instagram at Spectrum.Reviews. My Facebook link will be in the description below. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!